So this has been my first season growing tomatoes and cucumbers with these really robust tomato cages, and I gotta say they are worth every penny because they've really allowed my plants to grow nice and upright without impeding their growth in any point. I can easily reach in between the little sections if I need to remove any old foliage, remove my suckers, and it actually looks good in the process. So if you are looking for a really nice, heavy-duty tomato cage for your tomatoes and cucumbers, this is a great choice. You can reuse them year after year after year, and they're just gonna continue to look good and do exactly what you want for your tomatoes. Now, the one thing I would note, which you can see here with my cucumbers, is sometimes the middle sections will get separated from the stakes, and that is really the user error, my error. I was trying to extend the stakes as wide as possible on this whiskey barrel, and I did a little bit too wide, and so they do pop out, but you know, it doesn't matter. It has enough support from the other stakes to keep it upright and looking good. And as you can see, it has been a real joy to use with my cucumbers as well. As it climbs, I weave them in and out, and has saved me a lot of frustration compared to those cheap, weak cages that really can't support the weight of a lot of fruit or harvest production.